Slovakia, a hidden gem in Central Europe. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Slovakia is a landlocked country brimming with natural beauty. Despite its small size, Slovakia boasts a rich tapestry of landscapes and experiences that are often overlooked by travelers. From towering mountain peaks to lush forests, Slovakia offers a diverse range of landscapes that will leave you breathless. The High Tatras, often referred to as the miniature Alps, provide some of the most stunning mountain scenery in Europe. Get ready to be amazed by the untouched beauty of this hidden gem. The country's national parks and nature reserves are home to a variety of wildlife and plant species, making it a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Slovakia is waiting to be discovered. Whether you're an adventurer seeking thrilling outdoor activities or a history buff eager to explore ancient castles and ruins, Slovakia has something for everyone. Slovakia is often overlooked by travelers, but those who venture here are rewarded with stunning scenery and a rich cultural heritage. The country's history is reflected in its well-preserved medieval towns, Gothic churches, and Baroque palaces. Imagine a place where you can hike through pristine forests, marvel at medieval castles, and wander through charming villages that seem frozen in time. The hiking trails in Slovakia are some of the best in Europe, offering breathtaking views and a chance to connect with nature. And after a day of exploring, you can relax in one of Slovakia's many thermal springs. These natural hot springs have been used for centuries for their healing properties and are the perfect way to unwind. All this and more awaits you in Slovakia. From its vibrant capital city, Bratislava, to its picturesque countryside, Slovakia is a destination that promises unforgettable experiences. So why wait? Start planning your trip to Slovakia today and discover the hidden gem of Central Europe. Majestic mountains, the High Tatras. Nestled in the heart of Europe, these mountains are a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Dominating the northern skyline of Slovakia, the High Tatras stretch majestically across the horizon, their peaks piercing the sky. The High Tatras are a sight to behold, with their rugged terrain and breathtaking vistas. Each peak tells a story of ancient geological forces and natural beauty. These majestic mountains are a paradise for hikers, climbers, and nature enthusiasts. The trails here offer a unique blend of challenge and serenity, making every step an adventure. Picture yourself surrounded by towering peaks, crystal clear lakes, and cascading waterfalls. The High Tatras are home to some of the most pristine natural landscapes in the world. The High Tatras offer a network of well-maintained hiking trails that cater to all levels of fitness. From gentle walks to strenuous climbs, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual walker, you'll find a trail that suits your abilities. The trails are well marked and provide stunning views at every turn. Lace up your boots, grab your backpack, and get ready to experience the awe-inspiring beauty of the High Tatras. The adventure of a lifetime awaits you in this natural wonderland. The High Tatras are not just mountains, they are a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of nature. As you traverse the trails, you'll encounter diverse flora and fauna, adding to the richness of your journey. The air is crisp and clean, invigorating your senses and refreshing your spirit. Each step you take brings you closer to the heart of these magnificent mountains, where every moment is a memory in the making. So, come and explore the High Tatras, where the mountains meet the sky and nature's grandeur is on full display. Exploring paradise, hiking trails and waterfalls. Imagine a place where the air is crisp, the scenery is breathtaking, and the trails lead you to hidden gems of nature. Welcome to the High Tatras, a hiker's paradise. One of the most popular hiking destinations in the High Tatras is Spiš Castle. This enchanting spot is not just a lake, it's a gateway to adventure and tranquility. This stunning glacial lake is surrounded by towering peaks and offers breathtaking views. The crystal clear waters reflect the majestic mountains, creating a picture-perfect scene that feels almost surreal. Take a leisurely stroll around the lake or hop on a boat for a different perspective. The serene environment is perfect for unwinding and soaking in the natural beauty. For a more challenging hike, head to Skalnate Pleso. This trail is not for the faint-hearted, but rewards you with stunning vistas and a sense of accomplishment. This picturesque lake is accessible by cable car or a scenic hiking trail. The journey itself is an adventure, with each step bringing you closer to nature's wonders. From Skalnate Plateau, you can continue your hike to Lomniki Stit, the second highest peak in the High Tatras, offering panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. The climb is steep, but the reward is a 360-degree view that will leave you speechless. Along the way, you'll find cozy mountain huts where you can rest, enjoy a warm meal, and take in the stunning scenery. These huts are perfect spots to recharge before continuing your adventure. Don't miss the waterfalls scattered throughout the trails. These natural wonders add a magical touch to your hiking experience. The sound of cascading water is both soothing and invigorating. As you hike, you'll cross wooden bridges, wander through lush green forests, and encounter vibrant wildflowers. Each trail offers its own unique charm and surprises. End your day by watching the sunset over the mountains. The sky transforms into a canvas of colors, providing a perfect backdrop for reflection. Gather around a campfire, share stories, and create memories that will last a lifetime. As you pack up and leave the trail, you'll carry with you not just photographs, but a sense of peace and fulfillment. The High Tatras offer more than just a hike. They offer an experience that touches the soul. The enchanting Slovak Paradise National Park. Venture east from the High Tatras and you'll discover another natural wonder, Slovak Paradise National Park. This park is a labyrinth of canyons, gorges, and waterfalls, making it a paradise for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. One of the most popular attractions in Slovak Paradise is the Susha Bela Gorge. This unique gorge features a series of ladders, bridges, and walkways that allow you to hike through the canyon, surrounded by towering cliffs and cascading waterfalls. Section 5. Discovering History, Spiš Castle and Medieval Towns. Slovakia is not only about natural beauty, but also rich history. Scattered throughout the country are numerous medieval castles and towns that will transport you back in time. One of the most impressive castles in Slovakia is Spiš Castle. This sprawling castle is one of the largest castle complexes in Central Europe and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the castle's courtyards, towers, and ramparts, and imagine what life was like in medieval times. Section 6. Caving Adventures, the Slovak Karst. Beneath Slovakia's surface lies a hidden world of caves and underground formations. The Slovak Karst is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that is home to over 700 caves. One of the most impressive caves in the Slovak Karst is the Domica Cave. This cave features a variety of underground formations, including stalactites, stalagmites, and underground lakes. Take a guided tour to learn about the cave's history and geology. Section 7. The Danube River, a scenic waterway. Flowing through the heart of Slovakia, the Danube River is a scenic waterway that offers a different perspective of the country. Take a leisurely cruise along the river and admire the picturesque villages, vineyards, and castles that line its banks. One of the highlights of a Danube River cruise is the Bratislava. Slovakia's capital city is located on the banks of the Danube and offers a blend of history, culture, and modernity. Explore the city's charming old town, visit Bratislava Castle, and enjoy the city's vibrant nightlife. Section 8. Indulge in Slovak culture. No trip to Slovakia is complete without experiencing the local culture. The Slovak people are known for their warm hospitality and their love of music, dance, and good food. Be sure to try some traditional Slovak dishes, such as brinzov haloski, potato dumplings with sheep cheese, and kapustnica, sauerkraut soup. And don't miss the opportunity to attend a folk music performance and witness the colorful traditions of Slovakia. Section 9. What's next on your travel list? Slovakia offers a wealth of natural beauty, history, and culture. From towering mountains to underground caves, from medieval castles to charming towns, there's something for everyone in this hidden gem of Central Europe. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Slovak adventure today. What part of the world are you most excited to explore next? Share your travel dreams in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this visual journey through Slovakia, don't forget to like and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts.